Liberalism is a mental disease. An MSNBC commentator has just driven that point home. The man killed himself and his teenage sons in a gruesome murder-suicide. How sad. Here's the scoop. From New York Post, a prominent political science professor and his two sons were found shot dead in their bedrooms in an apparent murder-suicide, cops said. Winnebago County Sheriff's deputies went to the two-story Illinois home of P.S. Ruckman Jr. 58, Saturday morning after his ex-wife, Heidi Ruckman, requested a welfare check, the Rockford Register Star reported. Cops said they found the bodies of 14-year-old Christopher Ruckman and 12-year-old John Ruckman in separate bedrooms, dead from gunshot wounds. More from Downtrend. While the investigation reportedly still remains active, the motivation behind Ruckman's despicable actions may involve his divorce from Heidi Ruckman, who reportedly filed paperwork last summer. Heavy.com notes that prior to Ruckman's apparent murder/suicide, he appeared on / was quoted in many of the country's top media outlets, from the Washington Post to the Los Angeles Times to MSNBC to Politico to History Detectives on PBS. How terrible. R.I.P.